is good, YouTube? It is me, Real, and welcome back. Today, you guys, we are going to be talking about how Nike took trash and turned it into shoes, which is really cool because that's basically taking another person's trash and turning it into something that we as sneakerheads can all treasure. Now, before we jump into this review, I want you guys to peep this really dope skit that I was able to put together with the help of Shaylee of 820 Management, which is my best friend and also a dope content creator. So check this out and we'll jump right back into the review. Okay guys, I really hope you like that skit, but let's jump right into this review. Now, we always start the review off with the box, and here we go. There is nothing really to identify on this box except for the size tag and all of that good stuff, and then the usual stuff you get underneath. Now, the size tag reads, Women's Nike Space Hippie 04, Cell Astronomy Blue Fossil, size 8.5, and there is the size tag, you guys. I picked these up from Hibbit. I think I showed you guys that in a pickup vlog that I did like a few weeks back. But if you got these, like if you order them offline, they came just like this with like a sticker on it. No other extra boxes to keep, you know, the whole theme of the space hippie recycling, not using and producing too much extra waste intact, which is really cool. Now, if you just see this box, it's just kind of plain, like, but when you open the box, first thing you see is the space hippie right there. And then, you know, we got some markings, some words that say Nike Trash Transformed, which is really cool. And then if you look, we got the Nike check, Space Hippie, and then we just got Nike written again on the inside of the box, which is cool. And then we got, like, you know, other designs on here on the inside and like right there on the inside, which is cool, you know. So basically Nike Trash Transformed, which is what the Space Hippie line is all about, which is really dope. And so you guys know I'm a sucker for boxes, so this box is really cool. Definitely gonna keep it around because, I mean, like I said, it's really cool. Got all the really nice designs and stuff on it. So let's jump right into the sneaker. Now, boom, here is the Space Hippie 04. Now, from first glance, just like letting you guys see it, it can be kind of like off-putting, you know, like, it's kind of like a weird built shoe, you know, like just because of like this very high midsole, which some people aren't used to. And at first, guys, I was kind of worried about it, but you know, it's really cool. It's just kind of like, it's a weird aesthetic to the eye, but it's still a neat shoe, the concept and overall. So we start at the bottom and you see this is made from basically like recycled shoes, other shoes basically, and it's pieces of it, and that's what you see right there, other pieces of like shoes. And this kind of, the midsole is kind of like that light blue, like, hope you guys can see, it's like a really light, like a really faint blue, which is really neat. And then, and like I said, it's really thick, which is, like I said, it can be odd, it can be like, you know, kind of off-putting, but I really like it as far as like support and everything. This is really good, this thick mid. So if we make our way up to the upper of the shoe, the upper is something they're calling space waste, and the space waste is produced of 85% recycled polyester, which is comprised of plastic bottles, t-shirts, scraps of yarn, just things like that. give you a view of it as you go all the way around. The upper has hits of the Astronomy blue. You got that Nike check, got some stitching right there. And then on this side, you got the big blue Nike check, which resembles some of the stitching that you see in like kind of shoes with that Japan type of feel to it. And then if you look at the tongue shoe, the tongue has a Nike check. It says 04, and you got more of that Astronomy blue stitching. As we make our way to the shoestrings, they are calling these like ecru tone because they're not white and not really like eggshell. So ecru tone shoestrings, and you see the lacing system, which is basically like little loops, which is really neat, you know. Basically, this shoe, the Space Hippie 04, has the lowest carbon footprint. So basically, this shoe is made up of predominantly recycled material, which is really dope. One thing I do like, which is really cool, is like this plate. If you look at the back, this plate has like the Nike check in there, and it's like really, you feel it, it's kind of hard, and then you got it like kind of right there on the toe. So overall, y'all, this is a really dope shoe. I really like it. For me, I have worked out in it a couple times, and so it's really comfy for that, you know. Gives you a lot of support, a lot of stability. One thing I will say, if you are in an apartment, do not work out late at night with this because it does hit kind of hard. But other than that, I like it as far as also like a casual shoe, which is really dope. Of course, if it can be kind of off-putting because of the big heel and big midsole, but it's really like, it's good for support. And like I said, it's good. It's just good overall for the environment. It just shouts, you know, recycle, do the right thing, all of that good stuff. And so I was really dope, really around it, excited to get behind it. And like I said, I like this one just because of the blue. And then I forgot, let me give you guys a look at the inside. The inside of it, there you go. It's still kind of that same color. Has the upper. It has a little, we see a little branding right there, which is dope. Like I said, and I think another Space Hippie 04 just released like maybe a few days ago, maybe a week ago. So like I say, these are really cool and really, really dope. Like I said, now, did you guys cop any of these? Have you copped any of these? I mean, like I said, I was late getting on the wave with these, but when that first round came out, it was really hard to cop, man. You know, like they sold out. Like everything has been selling out on the sneakers app. But did you guys cop a pair of these? If you have, let's talk about it down below. What is your favorite silhouette out of the whole line? The number 4 being my favorite. How do you feel about the skit? Let me know. First of all, smash that like button for that skit because I was really excited to get behind that. With the help of my best friend, I was able to bring it to life. So really, really dope behind that. And then, like I said, smash that like button because I'm back and y'all are excited and because I'm excited. See you guys in the next video. It's coming back to back. I'm back on it. Peace.